Soup would be pretty boring if it was just broth. Hi, I'm Julie Fei Fan Balzer, your host, and scrapbook pages might also suffer the same fate without some interesting add-ons to rev them up. I'm here with Spellbinder's founder, Stacey Caron. She's joining me today for a project entitled Media Mixage with some amazing additions, which are these glitter bezels.
Aren't they amazing, Julie?
I have to touch everything because they're just so cool.
It's totally easy and fun. So let's get started.
Yeah, let's do it.
So to do the basic layout of your scrapbook page, you just take some strips of different kinds of cardstock that you love.
Okay.
And then when you die cut them with a border die, you get this wonderful effect at the bottom.
I see. So all you did is once these were glued down, you simply put this die on and die cut the whole thing at once.
Exactly. So easy. You have a great
That's
effect
awesome.
with different paper. Really fun. I love to mix media paint. So just take some paint that you love, and after you die cut your
a little bit imperfect. It almost looks like a chalkboard to me, or
It does
something
look like a
that.
chalkboard, doesn't it?
I love that.
So then the next step is your little tags. So basically you just put down your die cut,
Okay.
tape it, run it through after you put on here
Is this
your
something that you
sentiment.
printed out then?
Yeah, we printed this out. Yep.
Oh, and I love how you can see through here so you know that you're placing it exactly correctly.
That's exactly the point. So when you tape it down, it doesn't move. So then you just put some ink
And
through
the
die.
tape doesn't affect the die cutting at all?
Not at all. Nope.
Okay.
Ink at the end just to add some color onto your tag. And then we move on to the fun part.
So you've used the inside here as a stencil
We
then.
have used it as a stencil.
I love that.
I love
Anything
it.
that can work many different ways
Yep.
is awesome.
It's fun. So now the fun part, the dies and the bezels match.
I thought we were already having fun. No?
I know, but this is really fun. So a lot of us are into repurposing these days.
Yes.
So this is really just a cereal cardboard box.
Yeah.
So you just place this down on the die cut, and then you take your glitter paper. That's
Okay.
how we got the great glitter effect without the mess of glitter.
Oh, I thought this was actually glitter. You had like poured glue in here, no?
No. And then finally you would take felt and then cut out the heart with the felt.
Okay,
So-
and everything is face down,
Yeah,
right?
everything's face down.
Okay.
And then you just run it through the die cut machine.
Okay.
And this is a cute little die cut
It
machine.
is, it's adorable, but this of course is always the point for me where I'm filled with anticipation and desperately wondering what is going to come out,
Especially
you know?
for like people that don't have space. So it's really cute and easy.
Well, it's perfect for me because in New York I don't have that much space and I
know.
really need something that's easy.
You want to catch that coming out?
Yes.
Yeah, just catch that coming out, and then
There
you
you
can
go.
open the surprise.
Oh, I like it when I get to play along.
There you go. Okay. Let's see what we got.
Okay, here you go.
So voila.
There you go. One for me, one for you.
One for me and one for you.
Oh, I love that.
So you've got your shapes. Now you're ready for your bezel.
I know,
over
and
to you.
okay, so I'm going to go over here, and you told me how to do this. So I have
did.
my bezel.
You do.
This is my chipboard, right, that
Exactly.
I've cut, and I'm going to layer that in there.
Look
and
how that
then
fits.
for this time, I know it fits in there perfectly. And then here's the most amazing thing: you don't need any adhesive.
You don't need any adhesive. I mean, you can use adhesive,
yeah,
but
but
seriously.
that fits like a glove.
It fits like a glove.
And then this is interesting because even though what we cut, right, was glitter paper, you also this is felt
It's
that
glitter
has glitter
felt,
in it.
yep.
Glitter felt. They will put
100%
glitter in anything.
100% wool felt cuts the best.
Really?
Just a little tip for you.
Interesting.
Yep.
And so I'm just going to layer this in. And I did notice, by the way, because I was thinking when you said about cutting the mess, the delicacy of like the beak on this and all sorts of
It's
stuff. That's
beautiful.
amazing how that cut out
And
of the
then just take a
felt.
little pearl and just use pearl as the eye for the bird.
Oh, that's so clever.
And then you've got this great project.
I love that. And I also love the ribbons
ribbon.
that you've put down here. They're absolutely beautiful. I like how you've added even more dimension with
Yep.
some buttons and stuff. And I also think the thing is when you use metal with fabric and then some of these soft shabby chic, it's just that variation. It's
It is.
so interesting.
It's very interesting. It gives texture to your layouts. It just spices it up a bit.
Yeah, and you brought some other projects too. I know this is a gift.
Isn't that awesome?
And I would like to be the receiver of this gift.
Yeah, you know what? We're all about time today, so quick and easy, something that you could give a friend for whatever reason, and then just take and untie it from the card and put it on your coffee jar at home.
I think that's a really great
Isn't that
tip.
cool?
And not only that, but of course, you know, one of the things about being an artist is that or a crafter is that you always want people to know and see your work, but it's hard for me to carry around a scrapbook page.
I know.
But you've come up with a solution,
Yes.
which is I can wear it and people say, oh, hey, I like your hat.
Yep, and you made it, so it's
Yeah.
personal. So then again, if you're giving a gift, it's personal, it's from you, and it's from your heart.
I think that's really cool. And what I think is so interesting is this is basically almost the same as the bezels that we see on the layout,
Yes.
but it looks so different.
Multi-purpose, different applications.
Because it depends on what you decide to fill it with.
Yeah, and you know what, as crafters, we evolve. So we don't always stay in one medium, we like to travel around.
Oh my gosh, I like to explore everything
It's
and
fun.
anything.
Explore beyond.
And then you have some more jewelry if you want to wear necklaces and stuff like that. And look at the belt.
The belt is amazing.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't that
Are those
wonderful?
feathers?
Feathers and bezels and dies.
Well, you live in Arizona, and I can definitely feel the southwestern feel coming right off of that.
It's a lot of
That
fun.
is really cool. And if we move over the frame, I'm sorry, I touch everything.
It's okay.
Is this filled with resin?
It is filled with resin.
I think that's always important. And then you can move it so that it does so many things. Here you can see on the birds that we also used on the layout.
You know what else we used on that card?
What?
The heart die.
I can't believe I didn't see that. It's
See
so
it?
obvious.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
So it's all about using the tools you have different ways.
And now I have to tell you the truth, which is I sort of want to rip those earrings off your face and steal them because they're so fabulous.
Aren't they fun?
They're amazing.
Bezels and dies.
And I can't believe it. And they're not too heavy or
No,
anything
they're not
like
heavy
that.
at all.
Well, you look fabulous.
Thank you, honey.
And
I'll give you these earrings if you really want them.
I'm going to take them.
Okay.